Alright, let's get into Monday's recap all the way to Tuesday, which I automatically totally messed up, if that's the right word to say. So market opened in the morning and I was watching silver and other stocks, right? But I didn't see no place, so we came and bounced in this area, but was also trading on all-time level. If I can go back real quick, we also was trading on the all-time high, as you can see. If you look around here, and we had all these levels right here where we bounced and we was trading pretty much. Let me go to a hide. Let me go to hide all, and trading pretty much where we are trading on a higher low and a higher low. So I was looking for a break or a retest in this area. But let's get into the recap real quick and see all my mistakes, what I did, okay? And we can go from there. So as you can see, what happened is I was waiting for perfect entry on this inverse head and shoulders because I was thinking that I wanted price to come also touch this all-time high. So I didn't trust it, right? I could have passed my EVA, but I didn't pass my EVA because all I needed was 1,500. I was at $1,300 and I couldn't take that trade or move back all the way to VWAP. Then I left money on the table right there because I know price was gonna come touch VWAP and I would have passed my eval, right? I had a second chance. I exited too early, right? So you see the two trades that are really hyped, I exited too early. Then trade number 3 is it was around 245, right? I had a false trend line break where price filled 1, 2, 3 times. I couldn't take the trade. And guess what happened? I missed out because I give up on the market too early and lost again. I didn't trust the price action in the market, so I give up too early. But look what the price did. The price make a beautiful move. And imagine if I would have bought into that. So these are problems that I face all the time, right? And I took a $3,625 loss. I give up all my last weekends back again. Reason being, now because I missed out on these trades, right, during the day till 4 o'clock, coming back, I was chasing to see, okay, since I missed out, let me see this time. I'm going to take a retest, a relief bounce. So I take incomplete relief bounce, which normally I want volume to die or have it so much where price could come retest that area. So let's go into the relief bounce that I took. Was actually this relief bounce right here, thinking that price was gonna come in this area for a relief bounce for it to continue going up, but it fails, and I lost first $500, right? Which would have just let me stop the trade, and my intuition was telling me stop, don't trade, just be patient. So now I took a buy for incomplete sentence, thinking that there was a shoulders, that failed shoulder right there. I took a buy, entered twice, and I lost money, which was a revenge trade. And I entered back for a sale, so I was all over the place because volume died. And when I enter for a sale on this area, and I end up buying up here, so I lost money back again, okay? And that was big time money I lost, right? And I enter again for a sell. I enter again for a buy in this area, but this time I sell, I break even, right? And I was just trying to push the market to see, okay, if I could candle chase. But all of this, when you look at it, none of them are in my playbook. None of this set up in my playbook. So I was just trading randomly. Came back again, and I enter for a sell twice into that area, one time, and I enter back another time again. So I was candle chasing, and I lost money back again. So a lot of money being lost right here. Sell, buy, sell, buy. If I could just check out all the money that I lost, right? So I lost a lot of money in those areas. This is just silver itself by itself. And the ATR on silver was really high today. So you're looking at 1 point or 16.165, which was very high for me. That's the reason being why I was scared to even trade it in the first place. So I lost money on silver. And let's go to gold, right? So gold, coming into gold, let me draw real quick and show you what I did on gold. So it seems like to me I'm fighting a trend today. I tried to sell a couple of times. I thought it was a double top when it comes to gold. I sell right there when price make this move. I think I sell right here and I exited out, lost money. I sell again, I lost money. I sell on all these areas a couple of times, I lost money. I sell, right? I sell triple times in this area and I just lost money. Sell, lost money, sell, lost money. So it's like I was just fighting, forcing trades that are not even my playbook and candle chasing. That's what I was doing, right? And last minute now, the last sell losses that I took, which is going to be 1 o'clock to 2 o'clock. I sell, I bought, lost money. I sell, bought, lost money. So I lost another 600 and something dollars. And my account is just went flat. $3,624.34. All was gone. Every work that I work, all I lose it just because of lack of patience, okay, and discipline. Last but not least, let's go back into platinum. In platinum, I took another sell again after a couple of losses. Also, I think I probably would have just bought right here, which of course they are in my playbook, right? That was a sweet spot for me to buy. That head and shoulders fail, and I would have probably just took it right there and make a couple of $1,000. But guess what? Instead, what I did is, I think I bought, I bought right there. Yeah, let me say I buy instead. So it comes to platinum, what I did is I sell for, what do I sell? Yes, I sell right around this area, thinking that the price was going to, I was thinking that the price was going to form a head and shoulders just because of revenge trade. I candle chase and the market flip on me and I bought right up here again. I moved back. I think I was able to make some kind of change. And I exited out too early too because of I didn't trust the market because I was thinking it was a 3-bar play. So I was just all over the place. All over the place. And none of this setups for my playbook. So 1, 2, 3 trades and I lost so much money just because of lack of patience and discipline. And if we go back into all my trades, lack of patience and discipline just randomly. So it stems from me not trusting my setup. Okay, that's why it stemmed from, because I didn't trust the setup right here, which was an inverse head and shoulders. I enter again, I exit too early and force trend line break. That's all I needed for the day to pass my eval. In this trade right here, I could have waited for this. I probably could have even take a trade right up here and make that move down here and break even, right? Or probably follow the trend and take the trade when that left shoulders fail and turn that left shoulders, which is always a high probability. So I was basically trading against the market. That's what I was doing. And just fighting trades. That's what I was doing, fighting and come back again. None of this setups are in my playbook. I was just fighting. So that led me to lose $3,625. Yes, revenge trade, candle chasing. Hopefully I could be able to watch this video and take a screenshot and make sure that I try to avoid these mistakes as much as possible and just stop revenge trading. Because the thing is, when I lose, I want to revenge trade, and I'm revenge trading without setups in my playbook. And that costing me a lot of money. And this was just unnecessary. Just trading randomly. 20 something trades, not in my playbook, just taking trades like I'm crazy. It was just unnecessary.